Annapolis bucked the rest of Maryland's trend of lower buyer contracts and fewer new listings to the market. Almost 50% of the Annapolis sellers have made pricing adjustments. It's Friday, August 19, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Be sure to subscribe to stay updated on what your real estate assets are doing in Annapolis. Inventory in Annapolis continues to be challenged, falling to only 141 homes for sale on the market for an average of 67 days with a median sales price of $700,000. 33% of those listed for sale are priced over $1 million and have been on the market for an average of 80 days. 19 homes are coming soon, off 18%. 21 homes came to the market since last week. No change from last report. 19 homes went under contract, up 10%. 20 homes are temporarily off the market, up 11%. 19 homes went pending, up 5% since last report. 26 homes sold in 6 days, 100% list to sold ratio, with 11 having pricing adjustments before a contract was received. The highest sale this past week sold for $2,175,000 in Chesapeake Harbor. Rental inventory rose again this week to 25 homes for lease at $2,700, listed at an average of 13 days. Thinking about moving? Call me to talk about how we can make this happen for you. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, August 19th. Until next week, be well. Cheers.